Hello friends, welcome to the third Frontend Mentor channel. Actually, this Frontend Mentor site is a very good site in which you can come and do different challenges, and it helps you develop a CSS side of your talent. So this is a very good site in which I come and generally do the challenge. I already done 2 challenges on my YouTube channel, and this is the third channel which I am doing. Let me see, my recording is going. Yeah, recording is going. So let us start. So today we are going to do this single price grid component. So for that, what I'm going to do, I have come here, and you can go to challenges and you can find all the different challenges there. So after that, I will download this. Oh, they are asking me to authenticate, so I'll authenticate. Okay, so I have authenticated. So let me download it. So happy coding, download it, get started. Yeah, download starter, save it. So what they generally give a JPG image of the everything. If you want a sketch file, then you have to pay. Everything else is free. So they will give me the nice JPG image, and did it downloaded? Yeah, it downloaded actually. So let me open it, and now whether it is downloaded or not, I don't know why it is showing as progress. Okay, it's okay. Extract here. Where it is, so it is getting downloaded. Yeah, it is here. Okay, so I got it. Now again I have so many things. Okay, this one. So let me make it like this, and let me open my VS Code. Now why my VS Code is not opening? It's okay then. I'll do a, this is Windows, you can open VS Code in a lot of way. So yeah, I have opened my VS Code, and let me take it this place and this place. And let me open it completely because it will look nice. Okay, so what they have given us, let me see quickly. So they have given us this index.html, which have the basic data, all the data it has got. Okay, so index.html. so let me quickly make a styles.css. okay, and let me remove some of the things. I don't want the attribution, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, and then I'll remove this as well, and then after that I will give link CSS. This is styles.css. yeah, so my style sheet is linked, and now let me see what is the style guide.md. The designs were created using the following layout, blah blah. Okay, so they give us the color also, neutral color, font size, and another thing which they have given is the font family which we have to use. And then if I come to images, not images, design, so they give me, okay, reveal in file folder, design. So they have given desktop design. This one is much better, desktop design, and they have given us this. Okay, so these two they have given, so let them be opened so that we can refer to them. Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, for starting I will also start my live server. So live server is extension which I have, I think, here. So I don't have to, whenever I work on HTML CSS project, HTML CSS JavaScript project, I start this live server so that it can start on a port and I don't have to refresh my HTML every time. So it is something like the hot reloading of React, so it will act like that. So let me go live. Yeah, so this is what I have. I don't want it here. Okay, oh, I forgot what was the port. See, this is the port, because I don't open it in Chrome. Let it be there. Okay, and by default we have only this much, only the text is there in the index.html. So even we don't have the div and all those things, so those things also we have to put. So the structure we have to put. So as you can see, let me close this. As of now we have some sections, so we will have to make that. Means this is the primary, this can be the primary, this can be secondary, and this can be the two subsections. So let us do that. So first thing first, I will have a div dot container. Okay, so everything will be inside the div dot container. Okay, so it's okay. Then after that, what I'm going to have a section primary. So section primary will be this section dot primary. Section primary. So section primary, how much it is there in section primary? There is skills. Where is, yeah, there is skills is this much. This is join the community. Let me move it up with alt up arrow. Alt up arrow you can move anything. Then section dot secondary and div dot sub section, and there will be two subsections. Okay, so because one is for the left side and one is for the right side. Okay, so like this, sign up, till sign up there is, and why us till sign up. Yeah, sign up is still here. Yeah, till sign up is here. And then subsections, yeah, subsections why us. Not here. Okay, it is okay. Subsections is also done. Okay, so join our community. H1, H1, H2, H2, then see these two are different lines, so I will put them in different paragraph tags. So paragraph, paragraph, Let me see how they're looking. Yeah, it is looking good. Oh, I don't want it here. Not again here. I want it in my Firefox Developer Edition. This is the not the normal Firefox. This is the Firefox Developer Edition, in which I generally work, because it has got a very good console. So that is done, and now let us move to the secondary part. Secondary part in monthly subscription. Again, this is H2. Okay, and let me remove this space. See one thing, this dollar per month is different. This dollar is of different color and this per month is of different color, so we have to differentiate them. So for that, what we will do, first, we have to have a paragraph. So everything will be inside a paragraph. Okay, everything will be inside a paragraph, and then we'll have two spans. So one will be here, and the next one will be here, per month. Okay, and again a paragraph, and yeah, it is okay, because yeah, this is all of the same size, so this is okay. And this is a button, of course, BUTT1 button. Okay, save it, and let me see how it is looking. Yeah, looking good. Then YS is again H2, YS is an H2. Then let me have a unordered list, UL, li into 6, I think. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is there. So first one is this, second one is this. So why I am making li, so that it can be in different lines. So it is better, if all of them are there, it is better to have them in a li. It's okay. So this is done. Now, as per the style guide, we need to have this Carla font. Okay, so let me go here where they're going, because it is not like that. We can take it like this, fonts Carla. We have to go here, and it is where it is. Yeah, so they're giving different things, so we have to take the 400 and the 700. So where is the 400? Regular 400, select this style, and where is 700? I think bold 700 we have to take. Okay, so these are done. I don't want the link, I don't want the import, so I have to click here, and this I will get. So I have to copy this. So this is how you use Google Fonts. And then I have to go on top of my styles and import like this I have to do. And then as always, so we are starting our styling, box sizing, border box we have to do, so that everything is okay. I don't want you anymore. So padding and margin doesn't contain, everything doesn't contain the padding and the margin. There is one thing you can check what it happens when it is border box. By default it is not border box. I don't remember by default what it is. There is something else in which the margin and padding is also included in it, I think. Okay, so body, now we have to use the Carla font. Okay, so font family is, so if you have to use a font which we have imported from Google, we have to use it in this quotes. K is capital, so it's better I copy it from here. Carla, comma, a follower font. So if your machine doesn't have Carla, if your web browser doesn't have Carla, it will fall to sans serif, which every machine have, which every browser have. So background color, so where is the background color? So background color also they have given us in the style guides. So background color is see this one. So yeah, a light bit of white type of background color is there, because if you see here, this is also like this. Okay, and then I want everything to display as flex, justify content center. So I'm bringing everything to the center, because if I see here, everything is in the center. So I'm bringing everything to the center. Justify content center, align items center. So these two I have done. So see the magic now, everything is in the center. Okay, so after that, margin of 0 and min height. So exactly, not height, min height exactly the center. If you want to take, you have to give this height 100 VSC. One thing, I have not saved it yet, it is not in the exact center, so you have to give the height for that. So let me save it now, and now it has come to the exact center. Okay, so this is done. So now what we are going to do, see, our container is wrapping everything. So container, by the container we'll have this box. Okay, so container, I am going dot container, background color is hash fff, min width is 600px, and display is grid. Display is grid, and what I am going to do, min width I have taken, and so the width is taken, and the, see, the background color is also given, and a nice box have come by this much only. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do grid template row and divide it into two part. One is this part and one is this part. So I'm going to do grid template row, not repeat, and 220px and 260px. So this two I will do, and by this two only, see, this is different and this is different. Okay, this I will move soon here, so don't worry about that. So these two I want to make two part. One is this part and the another one is this part. Okay, so that is done. Okay, and then border radius, there is some border radius also, so let us put us there 5px. Box shadow 0 3px 6px RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.16 comma 0 3px 6px RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.23. so this is the box shadow. So they have not given it, I have just taken this box shadow RG not BA. Okay, so that we can have a nice box shadow, because here also we have a slight box shadow is there. So this box shadow you can take it from anywhere. Okay, so the box shadow is there. Okay, so still this is not fixed, so let us fix it quickly, or it is not showing correctly. So this is all secondary. So we just have to come here. Secondary is again, so I'm using grid a lot here. So you can do the same with flexbox also, but sometimes I prefer grid more than flexbox. GTC grid template column, it is repeat. Okay, I will use the repeat because both of them are equal size. If I come here and see the both of them are equal size, it's better to do it through this repeat and comma 1 fr and background color is, so they have again given us background color is this. So this kind of background color, it is already showing it. So see, now everything is almost fixed. Okay, so everything is almost fixed and it is looking quite similar to what it is here. And so now we will be completing the styles of the primary class, and provided colors also from here, means the colors are also there, some of them. So let us do that. And there is some padding, because if you give padding, everything is fixed. Everything is means together towards this. So if you give padding, most of your problems will be solved by padding only. Means dot primary padding is 20px, and in the primary the h1 is there, h3 is there, and p is there. So okay, so let us take those. Dot primary h1 color is again the same color, which is the background color here. So let me copy this and paste this. HSN dot primary h3 color is this a greenish kind of a color. It is not reflecting. It will reflect. It sometimes takes time. Okay, it is not S3 I have given, it is S3 I should give. It is yeah, it should be S3, I think. S3 primary S3. Yeah, it is much better now, primary S3. Okay, so after that there is a paragraph also, dot primary p, and this color they have not given in the style sheet. Actually, I found it out just by inspecting it. C2, C6, CD, and margin of 3px. So there it is. So it is done. And then okay, so our subsection also have some different colors, so which we don't have right now. So let us do the for the subsection. Okay, dot sub section, and see, I have not put much tag here. Both of them are subsection, so I have to use the init child. So to select some of them, init child, first one, and padding is 20px, color is this one, actually light gray. Okay, so yeah, it is done. And I think I have to do something for the spans here. Means one span is a dollar monthly and one span is a per month. So let me have some classes here. Class equal to, let it be big, and class equal to darker. So this is darker, and now I will have those dot big is font size is 30px. So this we are doing, see, this is bigger and this is the color is a bit different. Dot darker, color is this. Okay, see, now it is coming perfect. Now it's time to have this. So all of them are done, only this button is remaining. So let me do the button. Actually there is only one button, so don't need to give anything else also here. So let me do the button. Button is, there are many ways to do button with this 240px, and height is 50px, and border radius is 5px. Let me save this much and see, it is coming nice. Okay, so outline is none, border is none, background color is okay, background color is, see, this kind of green. I think this is the same one. So this is 71, this one bright yellow. So this one is the background color which they have already given us. So background color is this, color is different hash F7 F9BC, font size is 16px, and so it is showing correctly. So the next thing which we have to do is the second part. So this one we have to do. So let us do that. So how to do that, how to select that? Again we will use the init child dot sub section init child 2, background color is hash F51 BEBD 51 BEBD. Okay, so the background color was a bit different. See here, the background color was a bit different, which I found out. So the background color I gave it like this, and now it is okay. So one more thing I have found out. See, there is some box shadow here also in the button. So our button doesn't have any box shadow. Let us give a bit of box shadow here. So, and first let us give the box shadow, then we will talk. I already have a box shadow. Why not use that? Box shadow 03 point yeah, it is okay. So box shadow is there. So it has got that nice box shadow. I am reusing it anyways, so they have not mentioned any box shadow, so that I have just found. So as I have told earlier, everything to fix, see, you have to give the padding. So here also it is like that. So you have to give the padding here. So let me come here and I will give the padding and everything will be fixed. Padding is 20px and color is, which they have given us, actually color it is already showing. Let me take it from here. It is this one. Okay, so color is this one, and see, it is already nice, but we don't want this bullets. These bullets are not there anyways. So let me come here, and for that what we need to do, UL, we have to target the UL, and list style is none, and then margin is 0, padding is 0, and color is hash A8 EBF4. So 16px. Okay, so yeah, it is almost okay. So our desktop style is complete, but there is one mistake, means in container it is min width. Okay, so container I have to do a, not a min width, it's a max width. Okay, so container is the max width. Okay, so this is done, and now we will do the styles for the mobile. We need to do Okay, if I am doing the styles for the mobile, it's better to have it like this. Okay, so we can see it in the same thing. So now the mobile view is not at all good, means nothing is there. So how to fix it? So first we have to give the media size. So it's okay, means mobile is 375, mobile is there will be a max width for mobile. So let me come here and at media screen and max width is 600px, body min height is 80 vertical height, dot container is with 400px, grid template rows is, so the container we are taking the whole of the container we are taking now, and now we are giving the grid template row, so we can use it like this. So whatever the earlier thing is there, it will be used. There also we had a grid template row, so here also we are having grid template row. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me open the mobile one now. Okay, okay, so this is so you can see the heights are not same, so that's the reason we are using this. So we come down and repeat is repeat, we are not going to use repeat, we are going to have 260px and 260px. It's okay to have that like that. Okay, so after that, dot secondary. Okay, because of we are using grid, we don't have to use much, it is very easy actually. Grid template column is 1 FR. I am going to give 1 FR grid template column. The second is the complete one, so secondary here you can come see we had done it like this. Repeat grid template columns to 1 FR 1 FR. So if I give 1 FR, it will come in down, it means 1 FR it will take, and both of them will be adjusted there. So both of them will be adjusted in the 260px. Okay, this is one 260px, this is another 260px, and this will be adjusted here. So only this much we have to give, and our mobile screen is completed. So this is our mobile screen completed, and if I make it big, and my main screen is completed, mobile screen, main screen. So we are done with the projects. So this completes our part 3 of the front-end mentor challenge. I will see you soon with other front-end mentor challenges. Thank you.